Hello and welcome back to yet another video. Ooh. And this is a BunnyROM. Yeah, I ordered it just that alongside that LCD brick game because it was the whole fucking tariff shit. Anyway, yeah, this is pretty simple. Yep, its name is Tom. Not, what is there to say? I think it was $1.70. That's pretty cheap. Han Sheng. Status and a select are the same. Button. Reset button. Let's see what is it. I don't know. The time. If you press decide with none of the status things, it'll not show you the time because this thing's been running long enough where it's entered its sleep mode. And when that happens, this happens. It just, I don't know why. I mean, it's not even accurate. There's no crystal oscillator in here. There's just an on-chip oscillator for the microcontroller. So, you know what? Bye-bye, Tom. We're never gonna forget you, Tom. Yeah, we're gonna forget Tom. 168 and 1. I don't believe there's any, like, self-test mode. No, there isn't. So you have a variety of options. You have Bunny. Wait, no. So you have a variety of options. You have Bunny, Chicken, Panda, Whale, Lion, Seahorse. Oh, for fuck's sake, I live in America. Porcupine, yeah. Shrimp, sheep, penguin, indistinguishable blob of pixels, other indistinguishable blob of pixels, a person, another person, a dog, menacing frog, fish, butterfly, butterfly, pig, chicken variation number 2, service pack 3, bat, generic animal, bird, fox, other dog, horse, ox, koala bear, although I don't think they have that pointed of ears, elephant, snail, crab, deer, dolphin, catface, I don't even know, demon, explosion, pixelated explosion effect, generic demon woman, variation 2, I don't know, bootleg SpongeBob, bootleg Patrick, a sleep paralysis demon, a tree with someone's head stuck on it. I can't even parse that. Another person, basket of fries with a smiley face on it. This is ludicrous. A person with a weirdly shaped hourglass beside them. Another person. I'm guessing that's another person. And another. Uh, generic Japanese cute animal character thing. Another one of the Japanese things. Third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. Although a robot. I'm guessing that's supposed to be another robot. I guess that's supposed to be another. I don't know what that is. I really don't even want to know what's happening there. Strange religious symbol, probably used by some neo-Nazis. Whatever that is. I don't even know what that is. Or that. Or even that. Oh, I know for a fact that's not all of them. Don't waste my time like this, you jack Chinese device. No contrast setting on this, by the way. Accidentally press reset or something? Maybe. Did I miss some of them? Is that a mushroom? An excited mushroom with some thumbs up? I don't know what that is. I don't even know what that is either. Or that. That weird Egyptian cat meme. Indistinguishable black blob. A woman with weird things in her hair. Another indistinguishable blob. I don't. It's a hamster, I guess. It's generic blob. I don't know what that. Dictator cat mouse. I don't know. Fisherman. I don't know what that is. That robot. I guess another robot. I don't know what that is. Ghost. Yeah, this is just ridiculous. Ominous pyramid creature. Strange tree. I guess another ghost. And another. Dinosaur. 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 I guess another dinosaur. Seal? Otter? Turtle. A cat? Another turtle, whatever that is. Something funny. Pokemon, I guess? Some random child with long hair, another person. Detective Mittens from, Film Cow. Bootleg one of those. Whoever that is. Medic. Abomination from, the realm of insects. I guess another abomination from the realm of insects. And another... whatever the hell that is. Whatever that is. I guess more Pokemon? Dragon? A fucking semi-truck. I guess that's Optimus Prime. A car. Another Transformer. A fucking plane. A fucking fighter jet. What's your favorite pet? Type of animal to keep as a pet? I don't know. Cat, dog, fancy rat, pigeons, F-19 fighter jet, Boeing 47, probably very expensive vet bills for those, especially the Boeing. Another, a fucking tank. Some sort of car. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Ship. Another ship. A very tall ship. I guess all those are tall ships. That one. Insect, 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 snail, bird, bird, generic animal, chicken, mouse, and it loops around. Yeah, it doesn't really matter which one you choose. It's almost only just gonna be a ROM in the code somewhere. That's just a giant array of those bitmaps, and it just chooses one and slides it around the screen like this. So the date time runs fast because yeah, no crystal oscillator. And yeah, it's Atomic Archie clone. Fuck it, let's take it apart. Should I do a jump cut? You know what? No, let's not do a jump cut. Let's just it's kind of long to film. So it takes 2 LR44 batteries. Should be LR44s. You know, that's the joy of Phillips head screws. It's just constantly coming out and crap. Yep, LR44s. I think compatible with AG13s. So, interesting how we don't have the just some graphite pads. I accidentally stripped one of these screw threads when I think it was that one. In fact, I don't think that's correct. In fact, that's actually the bit that I broke quite a while ago, so that's absolutely spectacular on my part, isn't it? Still performing better than any current bourgeois democracy. Yes, democracy. Massive air quotes on the word democracy. Yeah, just have some rich fuck faces rule a whole country. That's absolutely brilliant. Probably shouldn't be. You know what? Fuck it. Let's get political. When it this is this whole video is going swimmingly, isn't it? It's just devolving into a ramble as I tear a cheap bit of electronics apart. Oh, by the way, there's no sound off on this thing. What is that? So yeah, piezo buzzer, some more screws. My phone charger there. This actually, honestly, really crappy Zena branded lightning cable that I got from Five Below because I was like, you know, my current lightning cable for my iPhone 10, you know, it's getting kind of nasty, and so I should get another one, and so I was in Five Below and I got this, and honestly, it does not fit into the connector on the phone very well, and it likes to quite a lot of wiggle, and it doesn't make good contact. This is a horrible cable. I don't know about the USB-C and micro B ones, but when it comes to lightning ones, these things suck, and you have to jam it in to kind of position it ever so slightly to be in the correct spot, or else the phone just won't charge. It's horrible. It's a terrible cable. Maybe I should chop the end off of it and just use it for my projects. You just don't even. Maybe I shouldn't even just wait for it to actually break on its own. Yeah, here's the circuit board. 19th day of the 8th month of 2024. That capacitor was hand soldered. Interesting. Sadly, no external timing resistors. That's a little sad, isn't it? Actually, because this is a phenolic board, this is kind of translucent enough where you can see the ground plane where the IC gets bonded on. It's only really 4 buttons. We have these two just in parallel. Reset, other button. I'm guessing Sun Plus. Might be Sun Plus or Holtec. I don't know. How many contacts are there? 1, 2, 3. 17? That's odd. It's actually 17. That is 17. That is odd. That's really weird. Usually it's an even number. Count 16. 16. 17 plus 16. Carry the square root of 2 now. 3 and 33, I guess. That might be 33 contacts. Now, as you noticed, there's pins. Didn't seem like we were really using. Kind of seemed like there was a bit too many pixels, so to speak. Like it didn't seem like anything was crossing between like odd intervals. It seemed like everything was on a fixed grid, and everything was grouped into 4 pixels, and it get used or not. I'm very much suspecting what's happening is that that's just a stylistic oh yeah, it's just a stylistic thing. See how it was stressing now. See how the whole lines of those pixels are lining up instead of it being individuals, and we're not. It's as if we're just yeah. So instead of 1 pixel, what the LCD designers must have done was was essentially divide it into 4 subpixels, all of which are tied together. So that solves that question, because when I first took this apart, I was like, I looked at this and was like, it seems like an awfully small amount of low pin count for the LCD that's seemingly fairly high resolution. So yeah, that's a little interesting. Must have been just not really marketing, I guess, just a stylistic choice to make it look more fancy. So yeah, that's this thing.